up, guys? Mike with Off-Road Family Adventures out here in the tail end of a hurricane, Hurricane Debbie. But I was going to launch the ski, go have some fun, but this is really flooded out here. And it's not that I couldn't launch right now, but check this out. There's usually about 8 feet clearance underneath that bridge. Parking lot's pretty full. I had to go through pretty deep water just to get here where I'm at right now. Max is about capacity as far as the high as it can go. And although I would love to go out here and battle some of these waves, my concern is this bridge. Because here it is about 9:30 a.m. Hopefully you can hear me. And storm surge is pretty bad. The storm is way past us, but we're on the tail end. And the storm surge is still coming in. They said around noon it's supposed to be even higher. And honestly, I'm concerned about being able to get back in. If I go out here and it gets any higher, I'm not going to be able to reach the ramp to be able to put my ski back on. So you can see this water is still coming in. It's getting higher and higher. And not only that, I'm not going to be able to get out of here. I'll show you this. There is one of the Hernando County cops turning around because they can't make it through the parking lot. Pretty deep. I, of course, don't have a problem making it through. But who knows what this is going to be like in an hour or two. So although I am nuts and would go out in this, my concern is being able to get back to the ramp. So I like fun, I like adventure, but I'm not stupid. So I don't think I'm going to be able to launch. Well, I know I can launch, but I can't get back in here. Tomorrow or later this afternoon, try and get out here and get you guys some video. But it's not going to happen today.